guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we have a 2014 Ram 3500 that we sent up on this leveling kit, wheels, tires, through the works at. Let's dive into this build. This customer had a 2014 Ram 3500 dually. He was looking at possibly trading it in, but like many of you, saw what trucks cost now and decided to throw a little money at this one, make this the truck of his dreams. The leveling kit is the Cognito 3-inch. It does come with coils and shocks. I do recommend with these 3/4 tons and 1 tons that you get a leveling kit that does include a new coil. That'll really help with your ride quality. It also comes with a new track bar to keep everything centered. The wheels are the 20-inch Aftermath from Dually Design Company. These are made to look like a 10 lug, and we opted to upgrade to the Spiked Lugs. And then the tires are the 35-1250 Klever RTs. These are a great dually tire as well. And as you've probably noticed by now, that's not all that we did to this truck. We did front and rear bumpers. These are the Body Armor Eco Series. And we did tons of lighting through this. Of course, we've got the 30-inch light bar out front, and then 2 cube lights in each of the fog light pods. Each side gets a floodlight and a spotlight. And then of course there's 2 lights in the rear bumper as well. Both of those are floods for reversing. The side steps are the Rough Country Nerf steps. They are the cab length. And then we threw the Recon lighting catalog at this one. The front lights are the projector headlights, the OLED halos, and they have a daytime running light that is in that smoked black color. We also did the rear tail lights in that smoked black color as well. Blacked out the third brake light, did the 5-piece cab light set in this smoked lens, as well as the fender marker LED lights in that smoked lens. And this grill is the mesh grill insert from Rough Country. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we'll see you in the next video.